Hi, it's a day number 7. Welcome to the Photoshop tutorial. Let's start. So first of all, we are trying to use the brush tool. Will be like this. So same like the usage, you want to create a new layer, then you want to work on it. So changing the color is from this side and you can choose any color from here with this slider. And when you press OK, that color is picked and you can draw something. In case if you want to change the brush size, you can make it small by using the same two bracket keys and same thing you can draw. Next will be the pencil tool, that is also same like that. So by using the pencil tool, that will be like this. You can draw some things that will be like very much accurate, not like the brush tool. So brush tool also will be same like this. So by using the pencil tool, you can just draw something like this, very much accurate and all. So this will always give you some sharp edges. So I can easily increase the size of the pencil and draw, that will be like some more sharper. So same like the usage of the brush tool, you can use the pencil tool. So next will be the color replacement tool. By comparing with the brush tool and the pencil tool, color replacement tool is completely different. So if you have a subject, you can directly change the color of it. So if I'm changing that color to something else, will be like this light color, will be like this. So combination of the color that will be applied in that. So in our subject is a car. So that car have a color which is a dark red. When you are applying a light green color to this, that will become a dark green color. Will be like the combination of both colors. So next will be the color mixer brush tool, that will be like you can just click it and drag like this. Those colors will be mixed. So this will be the color that we have in the color mixer tool. So that's the end of day number 7. See you in the next video. Follow us for more.